It's nighttime again in the walled city. Of course, you already know when it comes to nighttime, comes the many hagglers that come around. Okay, so what I'm going to try to do, I completely forgot that Colombia is known for chocolate. So I'm going to visit one of the chocolate museums and see what I can take with me. You know what I'm saying? So if I acknowledge correctly, it's 2 blocks forward. 2 blocks forward, and I make the left. So yeah, let's go to this chocolate shop that there's 3 in the area. There's one that's 10 minutes away. It's a bigger one, but I'm supposed to be going to dinner with some Brazilian friends I met along the way. Church service, I hear that. All right, next block I make a left, and I think it's Chocolate City. I'm gonna put my phone on. I don't be trusting. I don't be trusting people, man. I think I already see people. I'm a little, you know what I'm saying? Don't want to have too much technology out there. Hey, gringo. Watch. Chocolate Museum should be on this block. I think it's called Coco Mezillo. Is this it? No. Is this it? No, that's not it either. The heck is this chocolate spot? Y'all went down the wrong street. Freaking hate when that happens, man. Alright, it's the following block over. Yep. Alright. It's one of the guys that recognized me from from all my vlogs I've been doing throughout the day. You see me recording the whole time. So he's cool peoples, because I said hello to him the other time I was walking here. So he recognized me. I ain't recognize him though. Cause I'm like, yo, I remember a guard, but there's been so much people that have been approaching me. I'm like, yo, I just had this tunnel vision, like keeping my eyes forward. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, I haven't really been paying attention too much. So it should be over here to this block. I gotta check Google Maps again. Yo, everything that I've done, even speaking Spanish, doesn't work. I just stand out. And it's this bald head. It's my bib. And it's my frame. I don't look like them. I don't look like them. So I removed the book bag. I think it was the book bag that was throwing me off. You know, I untucked my shirt now. It was just bananas, the amount of heads that are like popping up on me, man. It's like, no break, man. Like, I'm trying to like cuddle like around other tourists so I can get a little breathing room, but Joe, it doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. What's going on, y'all? This is NateInYoState. Nighttime, walled city, Cartagena. About to get some crepes and waffles. But yeah, I'm at this spot called Crepes and Waffles. Let's see. Let's get a picture of that. All right. Cool. Just waiting to get inside. It actually looks pretty dope. So let's enjoy this experience. Ooh. All right, let's get it popping, bro. Let's get it popping. We got this guy over here, and we got more guys that's gonna try some new stuff and get out the way before they try some new stuff. Nice. Okay, ready to eat?
Yep.
Let's get it. All right, look at this nice menu that we got here. While they're looking at the menus on their phone, I'm gonna, oh, it's in Spanish. Wait, okay, there's all in Spanish, mate. There we go. Then we got the soups. We got, oh, seafood crepes, okay. All right, chicken crepes, meat crepes, the classic crepes. piatas, pitas, pita bread, and the pagne. Okay, I don't know what I want. This is legit mango juice because it tastes like the puree, and this is lemonade with coconut.
Yes.
That I never had before, so this is actually dope. Yeah. Y'all don't understand. This slaps hard. I might have to order me another one of those. This coconut lemonade really slaps hard. Got all this good food that we got, and she got the best one of the bunch. Okay, we take those pictures. You don't mind?
No,
okay. All right. Oh. And look at my plate. Oh man, just look at this beauty. You got it? Rethink with my order. I'm like, God, y'all place is looking kind of nice. I want to try that. Okay. Okay, let's eat my shrimp crepes. A nice burst of flavor. Great seafood sauce with it. Has a nice milky texture to it. I dig it. You want to try some of the shrimp or are you good? Okay.
You want some?
I will destroy your food. Enjoy. Just enjoy. But this is actually pretty good. I can't even. Oh, what? Okay, I think I need to place my dessert order.
Yeah. Because I like to eat both together. Like, I don't want to have to wait. Yeah, I don't want to have to wait for my plate. No?
You're right. Give me 1 second. Let me look at the menu. Yo, we just finished our food. This is everything. You guys do not understand how good this is. They said they always had this, and I'm saying this is the first time I'm actually having this. And you want to know something too? This is the best drink I've ever had that I'm going to make sure I make this every single day when I get home. Every day. Every day. This is lemonade and coconut milk. That's it. That's it. Something so simple yet tastes so good together. How did I not know this? How did I not know this? This is awesome. They put me on it. They put me on it. See, they put me on it. Yeah. This is amazing. I'm making this every day when I get home. Yo. Yo, so they also went to Casa and La Agua, right? And the menu that they're telling me is completely different from the menu I had. This sounds like they got royal treatment compared to myself. You know what I'm saying? They said they got pancakes. All right, but what you guys got? What did you get when you was at Casa de Agua?
The first day was arepas.
Okay.
And chilies.
Okay.
And the second day, and fruits.
Okay.
And the second day was eggs and pancakes. But no sauce.
No sauce. Eggs and... You want to know what they gave us? They gave us a bowl of cereal. Okay. The bowl of cereal. Okay, the bowl of cereal.
It was
The first plate.
Yeah.
It's you guys got the royal treatment. You saying you got ham and like eggs and like and pancakes? Different days.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Probably one part of the reason is that I only stayed 1 day. They stayed 2 days, but they got the royal treatment. Oh, more goodies. Oh, gracias. Yes. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna dig in. But I don't know. See, I don't believe that because you guys had a better dinner too. Your first night, right? What you had?
pasta with crepes.
See, what I got was fishbowl and like some veggies. That's it. Nobody liked it. You know?
Everybody loved the food, but fishbowl is very traditional from
Okay.
Colombia.
Okay.
But I read it about it. Yeah.
Okay.
And the second day I don't remember. What fish? You ate a fish and I ate lobster. But she paid for the lobster.
Yeah, so when you, that's what it is with Casa de Agua, right? When you pay like a little extra, you can get some of the things that they catch fresh and early, like the crab and lobster. But I mean, I thought the regular dishes weren't going to be nice, you know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, they were nice. I kid you not, it wasn't that bad. My lunch was better than my dinner is what I was saying. Because the lunch, what they gave us, right? They gave us some nice plate of like some fish and it wasn't rice, cocoa rice. It was a coconut rice and it was some potato. So the potato, it wasn't, it was yuca. It wasn't banana. It was some root they gave me. I think it was yuca or something else. IP, right? So that was nice. I said, I'm expecting dinner to be the same thing, but you're telling me that y'all dinners were different. So, okay. Yeah, I'm like, if lunch is this good, I can't wait to see what dinner's gonna be. But dinner wasn't. It should have been the reverse, though. In my opinion, it should have been the reverse. Dinner should have been that lunch, and lunch should have been. Yes. Yeah, that's why I bought snacks too. I bought snacks and everything too. Alright, so I don't want to keep them waiting, so let me take a picture of this ice cream waffle. I'm gonna eat this, and I'll get that to y'all later. Yeah, that's another thing. Colombians have some good chocolate. This chocolate tastes like I'm drinking like legit rich hot chocolate. I wanted to point that out too. This chocolate covered waffle is the best, bro. It's the best. Okay, so I just got in. You know what I'm saying? I'm full as heck. But we about to go party up again with another group. What's well, yo, I'm a magnet for them, just letting you know. Hablamos español. Hablamos español, sí. Blend in. Nueva York.
Nueva York.
Nueva York.
Nueva York.
Sí.
¿Hablas español? No hablas español.
No hablas español. No hablas.
Videos. Hoy soy brasileña. Estoy con cara de casada.
Okay.
Mañana estaré mejor.
Oh, snap.
What's up? You recording?
Oh, heck yeah, bro.
Hey, what's up?
Tell them about yourself.
Hey, what's up? My name is Orlando from Mexico, border with San Diego. That's why I speak English.
Yeah, there you go, man. So what we up to tonight?
So we have like an hour and 20 just to drink because of COVID, and they have a curfew here in Cartagena. So
Yeah.
what can you do? What can you do? Just enjoy the hour, like if it's like 3 hours, right?
You gotta make the best of the situation. That's what you gotta do. Gotta make the best of the situation. So that's what we're about to do. About to go and chill and like relax.
Money work. El mundo quiere dinero. Money work. Se arregla con dinero. Money work. Si me quiero educar, dormir en algún lugar, un lugar para trabajar, y si no hay para emigrar. Todo money, todo el dinero. Solo un par de gente se lleva el botín entero. Funny, pasa verdadero. Si tienen lo verde siempre llegará primero. Pero llegaremos antes o después. Solo a lo suyo, que Dios te lo ve. Que por más que tarde lo veré caer. Somos más lo bueno y tenemos fe. El dinero ya lo veré. No vendo mi alma, lo lograré. Seré el más grande, no olvidaré de dónde vengo ni cómo voy. Money work.
Good job. Good job. You did it. That's what I'm talking about. How to deal with the hagglers here in Cartagena, in Colombia. Go ahead, brother.
And so like here we gotta you gotta be like courteous to the extreme, because the people, that's their way of living. They're hustling to live, to eat, you know? So there's nothing to it. Just like be courteous, and I think the key word is respectful. Respect their hustle, and just don't be aggressive, don't be mean, just be like, hey, I'm sorry, no, and be consistent with it, and that's it.
Pretty much, man. Just gracias, keep it moving, no? Gracias, keep it moving, because they will be on you. That's how they get their money. Hey, yo, I like this cat. Yo, this cat has kept me company ever since the day I got over there. And you know how cats do. This cat just rolled up, was sleeping on my bed. I'm like, yo, what you doing on my bed? And then like for the past like few nights I've been here, this cat has just been consistent. Yo, I like this cat. But yeah, I'm about to go to sleep. You know what to do. What you think about what went on today? Drop that comment. Give this video a like. And subscribe. Hit that bell thingy, alright? And yo, look, if you don't want to do it for me, do it for the cat. You know the cat's watching you. Alright? Keep eating. Keep exploring. And I'll see y'all tomorrow.